Today, we're exploring some truly mind-bending predictions for the year 2025. And trust me, this isn't your typical fortune cookie wisdom. We're diving into the intriguing prophecies of Baba Vanga, the blind Bulgarian mystic who reportedly foresaw major events like 9/11, World War II, death of Princess Diana, and much more. Now, I'm not here to say I fully believe in psychic phenomena, but here's the twist. Some of her predictions have been shockingly accurate. And the forecasts for 2025? Well, let's just say they might make you rethink what's possible. Stay tuned as we unravel these fascinating insights. Hey, this is Theos, and you are watching the cosmological reality where we unravel the inner workings of the universe piece by piece. As we inch closer to 2025, the chilling predictions of two legendary mystics, Nostradamus and Baba Vanga, have started to resurface, and they're enough to send shivers down your spine. Despite living centuries apart, Nostradamus, the 16th century French astrologer, and Baba Vanga, the blind Bulgarian mystic who left the world in 1996, both share a haunting vision for the year ahead. Their prophecies speak of cruel wars and the shadow of an impending apocalypse. Could 2025 be the year their terrifying predictions come to life? Among their many predictions, Baba Vanga's foresight extended beyond wars and apocalyptic events. Long before the dot-com boom, the digital revolution, or the rise of AI became realities, she also warned of the darker side of technological advancements, particularly the internet. Her unsettling intuition hinted at a future where the web, initially hailed as a tool of progress, could be weaponized to unleash chaos and compromise global security. Fast forward to today, and her predictions seem unnervingly accurate. Major tech players like Apple and Meta have recently faced alarming security breaches. A chilling report from telecommunications giant AT&T revealed a leaked dataset containing sensitive information, including social security numbers, affecting 7.6 million current and 65.4 million former account holders. But it's not just the digital realm where her predictions feel ominous. Shifting from technology to geopolitics, we must ask, could Europe be on the brink of chaos? Baba Vanga foresaw a devastating conflict in Europe, one that could reshape history. And as we dive deeper into today's geopolitical landscape, her prediction seems to be coming true in a surprising way. The Russia-Ukraine war, raging since February 2022, has already left a trail of destruction. Thousands of lives lost, millions forced to flee their homes, and economic shockwaves rippling across the continent. But could this just be the beginning? Tensions between NATO and Russia are heating up, with nations doubling down on military alliances and increasing defense budgets. It's a fragile balance, and one misstep could lead to a chain reaction. Baba Vanga's vision of a wider European conflict feels closer than ever, and if we look to the past, the parallels are chilling. Remember how World War II began? A localized conflict escalated into a global catastrophe that no one could stop. While Baba Vanga's prediction of a devastating European conflict sends chills down our spines, her foresight doesn't stop there. According to Vanga, 2025 might not only bring chaos on Earth, but also reveal something that's out of this world: alien encounters. Let's connect the dots. The past few years have seen a surge in revelations about extraterrestrial life. In July 2023, during a U.S. congressional hearing, a whistleblower claimed the government may already have knowledge of non-human biologics. Meanwhile, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has been making groundbreaking discoveries, detecting potential biosignatures on distant exoplanets, signs that life beyond Earth might exist. Now think about this. Wars have often driven technological advancement. Could the tensions and technological race of today also push us closer to discovering extraterrestrial life? Or is it possible that amidst the chaos, alien civilizations might make their presence known to us? The scientific community is taking this seriously. UFO-related files are being declassified, and public discussions about alien life are no longer confined to conspiracy theories. Baba Vanga's prophecy feels eerily aligned with these developments. We've already discussed Baba Vanga's chilling prophecies about global conflict and alien encounters, but now let's dive into another astonishing prediction: telepathy. Vanga predicted that by 2025, humans might begin to communicate directly through thought. It may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but thanks to incredible advancements in neuroscience and brain-computer interface, BCI technology, this may be closer to reality than we think. In fact, the race to make telepathy a reality is already underway. Elon Musk's Neuralink has successfully conducted animal trials where brain signals were used to control external devices. Think about that. Controlling technology with nothing but your mind, and now human trials are in progress. But the surprises don't stop there. In 2021, researchers at the University of Washington demonstrated brain-to-brain communication between two humans. Yes, you heard that right. This study marked a major leap towards what could be considered telepathic interactions. These developments are more than just tech innovations. They could revolutionize how we interact with each other. Imagine bypassing speech, typing, or texting altogether. Thoughts could be shared directly, creating a whole new dimension of communication. Cool, right? Now let's talk about something that's truly revolutionizing healthcare, and something Baba Vanga predicted decades ago. Lab-grown organs. For years, Vanga foresaw a future where technology could create organs in a lab, eliminating the need for organ donors and saving countless lives. And believe it or not, this prophecy is already coming to life. Advancements in regenerative medicine are paving the way for bioprinting and tissue engineering, allowing scientists to grow human tissues and organs from scratch. In 2022, researchers at Tel Aviv University made headlines when they 3D printed a functioning human heart using patient-derived cells. That's right, a real heart, designed and printed by technology, ready to potentially save lives in the near future. But that's just the beginning. Companies like 3D bioprinting solutions and Organovo are leading the charge in creating lab-grown tissues and organs, addressing the critical shortage of donor organs. These innovations are making it possible to customize organs to fit the needs of individual patients, making transplants safer and more efficient. Now, the next prediction is something even bigger, something that could transform our entire planet. Vanga foresaw a revolutionary energy breakthrough, and today's advancements in renewable energy and futuristic technologies make this prediction feel more real than ever. The world is on a mission to move away from fossil fuels, and scientists are chasing innovations that could power humanity sustainably for generations. One of the most exciting breakthroughs happened in 2022 when researchers in the United States made history by achieving net energy gain during a nuclear fusion experiment. Fusion energy, which mimics the process that powers the sun, promises an almost limitless supply of clean, sustainable power. Just imagine, no pollution, no greenhouse gases, only pure energy. And it doesn't stop there. Breakthroughs in battery technology, like solid-state batteries, could completely change how we store and use energy. These advanced batteries are safer, longer-lasting, and more efficient than anything we've seen before. The implications of these advancements are huge. If fusion energy is successfully scaled, and if solid-state batteries become mainstream, we could see a world with drastically reduced reliance on fossil fuels. Climate change could finally be tackled at its core, and the energy crisis might become a thing of the past. Could this be the groundbreaking discovery Baba Vanga predicted? As governments and corporations pour billions into energy research, her vision feels surprisingly close to coming true. And if the energy revolution Baba Vanga foresaw wasn't enough to blow your mind, here's another chilling prophecy. Vanga predicted that 2025 could witness catastrophic climate events on an unimaginable scale. Events that could reshape the planet as we know it. Her vision warned of tsunamis, earthquakes, and extreme shifts in weather patterns, potentially altering ecosystems, and even forcing humanity to rethink how and where we live. But how close is this prophecy to coming true? Let's take a look at the signs. First, the world is already feeling the effects of global warming and rising sea levels. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, higher global temperatures are making natural disasters like hurricanes, floods, and droughts more intense and frequent. Coastal cities and island nations are at the forefront of this crisis, with rising sea levels increasing the likelihood of devastating tsunamis and storm surges. Take Cyclone Mocha in 2023, for example. This massive storm wreaked havoc across parts of Asia, displacing millions and destroying infrastructure. And who can forget the tragic Maui wildfires, where scorching temperatures and dry conditions turned lush forests into infernos, leaving devastation in their wake? And then there's the melting of polar ice caps. Scientists warn that the Arctic and Antarctic ice sheets are disappearing at alarming rates. This isn't just about rising sea levels, it's also disrupting major ocean currents like the Gulf Stream. If these currents weaken, we could face erratic weather patterns, colder winters in some regions, and unrelenting heat waves in others. The scary part? Scientists and climatologists agree. If we don't act fast, these disasters will only get worse. Baba Vanga's prediction eerily aligns with the warnings of modern science, making 2025 a year to watch. Could we be standing at the edge of a climate tipping point? From the rise of artificial intelligence to the threat of climate change, the decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. So let's make sure we're making them wisely.